Hi everyone, this is Derek with Diverse Dimensions. We're at the East Side campus today in Brighton, Michigan. We're logged here into the PolyWorks tech support zone. I just want to show you there's a pretty neat little macro that might be interesting for some of our customers out there that want to do some real basic measurements with PolyWorks without having the entire inspector user interface active. Follow me into the macro zone on the PolyWorks tech support website all the way down into inspector, and there's this really neat macro called tape measure. What this is going to do is allow you to use your ferro gear to make some real basic measurements, and we'll go through a few of these little examples. Well, we're inside the tape measure visual layout, and what you'll see is this is really just a subset of the PolyWorks features that some of you are used to. One thing you should do is save out your visual layout before you activate this layout, and look in the description below for a link to a video that explains that, so that you can get back to your usual visual layout. Like, say if you are a power user at your company and you're just gonna put in this tape measure layout just to kind of help some of your other coworkers get the most usage out of your measurement tools. So what you'll see in here is there's a few limited features, distances, and angles that try to make this as easy as possible. So we'll go through one of these. We'll make a distance out of two planes. So we'll go ahead and pick the different features that we want in these two buttons, and then we'll go ahead and say probe. And then you'll see a couple planes get measured. So just simply, without making any objects in the PolyWorks tree, we're going to get a couple planes. And without doing anything in the PolyWorks tree, we've now got the features that we need to get a distance dimension on our part. Once you've exhausted the tools inside of the tape measure visual layout, reach out to Diverse Dimensions by phone or training at Diverse Dimensions to let us take your PolyWorks skills to the next level. Thank you.